Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of lane splitting, focusing on California's unique laws, safety tips, and how it compares to the rest of the country. Let's break it down. California is the only state in the U.S. that fully legalizes lane splitting. That's when a motorcyclist rides between lanes of stopped or slow-moving traffic. It's a game changer for riders, and it totally makes sense as long as people in cars don't do something stupid. California has a specific law that says that you are allowed to lane split. That law is California Vehicle Code Section 21658.1. It defines lane splitting as a two-wheeled motorcycle moving between rows of vehicles in the same lane, whether on city streets or highways. That's very clear, but still many people don't know if it is legal to lane split. Folks, pay attention to the law. It is legal. It is completely legal to lane split in California. This law gives the California Highway Patrol the job of creating safety guidelines. They work with groups like the Department of Motor Vehicles and motorcycle safety organizations to make sure everyone stays safe. There's another important law, Section 21658, which says all vehicles need to stick to one lane as much as possible and only change lanes when it's safe. A court case called People v. Butler back in 1978 made it clear. Drivers, including motorcyclists, have to stay in their lane and make safe moves. So when lane splitting, safety is non-negotiable, and you can be cited for lane splitting if you lane split when it is dangerous. Now let's talk about how to do it safely. The Highway Patrol has some solid recommendations. First, keep your speed close to traffic. Ideally no more than 10 miles per hour faster. Going too fast ramps up the risk, especially when some dope switches lanes right in front of you without even signaling. Make sure there's enough room in the lane to pass safely. Narrow lanes are tricky, and cars that are too close are also cars that are probably unaware of their environment. They may be texting, looking at their dashboard, daydreaming, or toking on a joint. Whatever's going on, weird car position is always a warning sign that the car driver is going to do something stupid that could hurt you. If you're a new rider, hold off on lane splitting until you've got serious skills. It's easy to lane split until it's not. When it's not, you need to handle your bike and get out of danger. And I get it. You rode mountain bikes or BMX when you were a kid. A motorcycle was not a big step. I respect that. But just remember that on mountain bike, squirrels jumped out in front of you and not a 2,000-pound piece of metal. Stay visible, avoid blind spots, and watch for turn signals or mirrors. Bad weather like rain or fog, you can handle this. But for cars, visibility and attention to what is behind them takes a hit. And that hit just might be you. Remember that lane splitting is almost always safe from the motorcycle side of the equation. It's the other guy that we worry about. Be extra careful near freeway ramps, intersections, or construction zones where traffic gets unpredictable. Now, how does California stack up nationally? While California goes all in on lane splitting, other states are dipping their toes into something called lane filtering. It's more limited, usually only allowed when traffic is stopped or crawling, and at low speeds. Arizona lets motorcyclists filter through stopped traffic on roads with a speed limit of 45 or less, but only at 15 miles per hour max. Utah has similar rules. Montana allows passing slow vehicles if the lane's wide enough. Hawaii lets riders use the shoulder to pass stopped cars. Starting in August 2025, Colorado will allow filtering at 15 miles per hour in stopped traffic. And Minnesota, also in 2025, will let riders filter at up to 25 miles per hour. The big difference? California's lane splitting works in moving traffic too, while filtering is mostly for stopped cars. So what's the takeaway? California's laws, backed by Section 21658.1 and court rulings like People v. Butler, make lane splitting a unique option for riders. California remains the gold standard. Whether you're a rider or a driver, knowing these rules and staying aware keeps our roads safer for motorcycles. I hope this video helped.
Daniel Horowitz has recovered millions of dollars for his motorcycle clients, and he will continue to recover millions in the future. Daniel Horowitz never charges you a penny until you recover money on your case. We work on a contingency fee basis, which is why you don't pay us unless and until we win your case. You can call Daniel at 925-283-1863. That's 925 area code 283-1863. Thank you for watching our video. We look forward to hearing from you.